Welcome to the Photoshop tutorial day number 2, cropping tools. First we have two cropping tools. One is rectangular and elliptical marker tool, and inside the lasso tool you can see three more, which is lasso, polygon and magnetic. First of all, we are going for the rectangular marker tool. Inside that rectangular marker tool we can see three more, which is elliptical marker tool, single row and single column marker tool. So any of these tools if you are using, you can just click and drag, you will get a shape like this. These dots are called selection. Control J will be like a copy of that. When you get a copy, you can just simply press on the move tool and click and drag, you will get a same copy of this. By using these dots, you can increase or decrease the size of that copy. Next will be like some more advanced, which means lasso tool. Inside the same lasso tool, we can see two more options, polygonal and magnetic. Lasso tool have some difference. If you just click, long press and drag, you will get a line like this. So if you connect that line where you begin, that will be like a selection. Same dots you will see, Control J will be like a copy of that. Use a move tool and you can move it to somewhere. Next will be the polygonal lasso tool right below the lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool always give you straight lines. So it's okay, but you want to make something like a boxy type of design. For example, a car or a building or like that, like a boxy type, like straight lines. So if you are drawing this for these type of images, that will not be that much accurate. So same like the lasso tool, where you just made the first point, you want to end it in the same area. Same, you will get a selection. Same thing, Control J, you will get a copy of that. So polygonal lasso tool, that will always work for boxy type of designs, like boxes or buildings, something like that. So after copying something from the Google, you can just paste it in the Photoshop and use a polygonal tool like this. So it will be some more useful when you click like this. So point by point, it will give you straight lines. After this, you will get the same selection and you can Control J. The same copy you will get by pressing on the move tool, you can move it to somewhere. Magnetic lasso tool, you just need one click. After that, you just need to move the mouse only. You will see tiny dots, that will be the selection. That's the end of day number 2. See you in the next video. Follow for more.